Right, hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Ike Akingbola speaking. So in this video, I want to show you the difference between a prepaid account and a postpaid account. So some of you don't know the difference between the prepaid account and the postpaid account. So I'll be showing you through I'll be going to my screen now to share with you how the difference between prepaid account and postpaid account. It's very important for you to know the difference so that you know the pros and cons um, between using any of these different accounts. So it's very important. Right, let's quickly go to my screen. Let me log into my Facebook and show you the different kind of the different kind of payment settings that are available on Facebook. Different payment settings are available on Facebook. Many of you would should know that it's very important for you to know that your account comes automatically with your um, a postpaid account. So, what is a postpaid account? What a postpaid account does is that has it it's an automatic payment whereby Facebook charge you whenever you spend a certain amount of money. You understand? So, if you have spent a certain amount of money as programmed initially before you started running the ad, Facebook will then charge you. So once that threshold is reached, Facebook is Facebook will then charge you. And Facebook will charge you again on a monthly bill date. So there will be a particular date that Facebook would have set. So maybe on the 21st of this particular month or every month, Facebook will be charging you. Or when you reach a particular threshold, Facebook will charge you. So what do you mean by threshold? So for instance, let's say you are using your account in Naira, in dollar, for instance, and you instructed Facebook based on your threshold that Facebook, I want you to charge me when my account is at the threshold of $50. So once the account gets to $50, Facebook will charge you. Meanwhile, for every month, there's a particular date that Facebook should charge you. So when it gets to that particular date, let's say for instance on the 21st, either you get to the threshold or you don't get to the threshold, Facebook will still charge you. Hope you get the gist. So that's how the automatic or the postpaid account works. It's as simple as that. That's how it works. All right. So to push the point further, let me show you how your postpaid account is going to look like. So this is an example of how your postpaid account looks like. Let me quickly show you from your screen. This is how your postpaid account look like. Um, so you can see this particular account. You can see that this account is in dollars and it is having a pay now option. So when you go to the payment settings, you would find out that this account will be charged based on this current setting that you have on the account. Let me use another account. Let me push my point further using another account. I'm not sure if this is um, so. For instance, this particular account. Okay, so let me use this particular account. Let's go to the billing part of this account. Okay, so in this account, if it is a pay, if it is, let's say the settings on this account. Okay, this is not a prepaid account. Let me change it. Let me look for an account that is postpaid account. Is this a prepaid or a postpaid? So you can see the difference. You can see how I'm able to know which one is a prepaid or a postpaid. This one is also a prepaid account. Okay, let's check this one as well. If it's a prepaid or postpaid account. Okay, this is a prepaid postpaid account. So let's come to the settings and check out what is happening in this account. So there's a particular date that will be set. So I believe you know how I got here, right? So there's a particular date that will be set. On that date, Facebook will charge this particular account. On a particular set date, Facebook will charge this account. So let's go to the date and check what we have there. So account spending limit, okay. So you haven't added any payment method to this particular account, okay. Okay, no payment. So the payment setting for this particular account has not been done. So if it has been done, you'll be seeing the details the next time that Facebook will be charging this account and the amount or what the threshold is exactly. I believe you get that. So let's move on. Okay. So let's move on. Let me also show you the prepaid account. So the prepaid account is also called the manual payment. Manual payment. The manual payment is used to the manual payment is majorly designed for you to be able to add money to your account first before you start running ad. Now, once you add money to the account, Facebook will deduct from that particular money once once in a while. Do you understand? So that amount of money will be deducted once a day as you run your ads. So this will help you to lower. This is how you pay for your ads. Now, if you want to use the payment method, you have to set it up. It doesn't come automatically with your um, with your settings. It doesn't come automatically with your settings. It's a different. It is quite different from what you have on once you set up your Facebook account. So it is quite different. I believe you get that. Now, it is also important for you to also note that once your ad account is set up, you either your once your ad account is set up, automatic payment or manual payment, you cannot switch to either option. So once you have automatically set up your payment method to be either automatic or to be manual, you cannot change that same payment method that you have set up to another account. Now I'll be sharing a video with you on how you can create your prepaid account. Maybe you are using a particular account that is on postpaid and you are not really convenient with it. You are not interested in using that. It has been giving you issue. That's giving you so many issues. Um, I will be sharing a video with you on how you can um, change or create a new account uh, different from the one you are using currently. Okay, so now what are the pros and cons of this account? So one of the pros or one of the advantages of your prepaid account is that it's very easy. It rarely have issues. You understand? Rarely have issues with account being disabled because payment is not being charged. You understand? And the disadvantage or an advantage on that side for pre the postpaid account is that postpaid account is also good and you are debited based on what you spend. And you know, there are sometimes you might violate Facebook ads policy, and at the end of the day, they will disable your account. And when they disable your account, you will end up not being able